Black lives matter, especially this one. I am a Black content creator, and this is my channel. Welcome to Faithfully Blessed. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. It's Faithfully Blessed here, and I'm back again. So today is Juneteenth, the Black holiday, or the holiday for Black people. Let's say that. It is a Black holiday though. So today I'll be doing a makeup look 4 hour a day. To all my Black people out there, Black power. Let's keep fighting for our rights, our roots, and let's get this show on the road with this makeup look, y'all, okay? So I have two palettes here today. I have the Festival palette, as you all can see, and I also have a neon palette. So I'm gonna be playing in some new colors today, and both of them are by Profusion. If you haven't heard of them, I haven't either. It is a Walmart brand, but we're gonna get right into this look. So y'all, I am so glad to be able to celebrate such a holiday. I'm so glad they made it a holiday for Black people to celebrate where they come from, us being free, and just the freedom that our ancestors and Martin Luther King created for us, y'all. And it's just so great to me. I've been excited all day for this, like, I really have. So let's jump right into it. So first, this palette here, I'm going to start out. I'm going to open it up. It's brand new. I just got it today. Because I had to bring y'all some special content. And today is special. Today is a day for us. Today is a day for me. Because not only am I'm a Black content creator, but I'm also a Black journalist as well. I went to school for journalism. And so Black lives matter. Y'all, look how pretty it looks. Yes, y'all, it ain't been open, baby. So we're taking the plastic off for the first time. And I am going to keep this because it'll keep my colors nice. So we're stripping the plastic off for the first time. And so the colors that I will be using today will be I will be using Winning, Witty, Campground, and Bossy. So I know you can't see them, but they'll tell me what it is on this paper. So basically today, I'm going to start off with, we doing all the Black shades on this side first, before we get into a color. And so I'm going to start with what I said. I guess I start with Winning, and Winning is this color. Winning is this color right here. Oh, it's this color right here. I'm starting with Winning. Black people, we are winning. We are winners. We are winners. Then I'm going in with Witty. Black people are witty. I'm mixing. So we are winning. We're witty. And then I'm going down to, it says Campground, but for this video, all Black people, we need to stand our own ground when it comes down to the color of our skin. So right now I done put 3 pigments on my face, or on my eyes. I have, first, we're winning. Then we are witty, we're very smart. Now we gotta stand our own ground. Then I'm going to the darker shade. Right here. It's on this side. Right here. We are bossy. We are bosses. We get our money. Just like any other race, we get our money. Right? So I started from the lightest shade all the way up to bossy. So remember, the lightest shade, we're winning. The second shade, we're witty, we're smart. The third shade, we have to stand our ground. And the fourth shade, we are bosses. Now, this is the yellow. The yellow is, we are full of sunshine. We gonna shine bright. No matter how many police is trying to take our light, we gonna shine bright. So that's that yellow for that, right? Then, last but not least, in this palette right here, we have our fire engine red. So every time one of us shed blood, we all shed. And you know what that color is called on my palette? Heat wave. So when one shed blood, we all shed. And I'm putting this one right here. So as you can see, I got 5 shades on my face, y'all. Because black people, we as black people, me as a black person, we're winning, we're witty, we very smart. We hold our ground. We need to. We haven't found that yet. We're bossy. We are bosses. We have multi-million-dollar business, not just the white people. And then the yellow. We will keep a smile on our face, and we will be sunshiny. We will have that sunshiny spirit. No matter how much the cops may take it away from us, we will have that spirit in here to love. And the red, like I said, the red color on the end, that means we stand together and we feel every person that's black that gets lost or their lives get taken. When they bleed, we bleed. In our lives, especially black lives, this video is for us. Our black lives matter. Our young men's lives matter. Our women's lives matter. Our children's lives matter. Every black life matters. I ain't know the video. I hope you didn't think so. I gotta do my other eye. And I started on my makeup or my eyelid first because I wanted y'all to understand the colors I'm putting on my face. It's not just, oh, black lives, or it's not just the red, or it's not just the green. And I didn't put the green. But I want to point out what the green means. The green on my palette says logical. We as black people, we are smart. We have the knowledge to do just the same things as our white counterparts. And let us not forget that. I know we want to talk about everybody else, but let's shine some positive light on us. And so, as you've seen, I'm going to do my other eye the same way. And I'll be back. And this video is really based on the colors of what it means behind the colors. It say campground, but I'm saying all black people need to hold their ground. And don't be afraid of any other race for whatever reason, because we have a right as well to be here. And so I'm just gonna add my Vaseline. Wait, where is my makeup spray? So, let me see, hold on. Okay, so as I said in this video, y'all, we are winning. We are witty. We hold our ground. We are bossy. We are bosses. Like I said, we have $1 million businesses just as well as our white counterparts. And we also are sunny. We're sun shining, even though the police try to take us away. And also, like I said, the red is for the pain. No matter how many of us are taken away, we feel every pain from someone who looks like us that has shed blood for us. And I'm just gonna end this video put my lotion on. And the lotion I wear is for black people. It's for black people's skin. To give us that extra moisture. And if you all have liked this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And you know what? If you are black, Black Lives Matter, and continue to show your strength and your smile. Because you have not went unnoticed, y'all. We have not went unnoticed. God notices us every day. That's why He made the color of our skin to be black. So we will have something to stand for, to fight for. And to know that we are beautiful. Despite of what anybody else say, any other race say. Love yourself. And like I said, Black Lives Matter. Y'all have a good day.